gonna be a long video since we already since there's already a rain. Can't see the rain. You don't see it. Look, it's really cloudy right now. See upstairs. Wait, so I can't go upstairs. And that's just it again. See now? Rain. Let's stay away from the rain. Let's rain. This feels wet. Look at that. So wet. Alright, wet. Well, see that splash? Might be that is the raindrops. It could be these. Yeah, those ones. Those. So this is weather video right now. And yeah, I'm showing you the rain today. You can get upstairs. They've got many cables. This is a very long video since there's a rain. The more the weather, the more time the video out. This is gonna be a really long video. Like it's up to 3:30 minutes. Like that. 3 minutes. 3:30. This video is gonna end at 3 minutes 30 seconds. So nearly 3:30. Alright, I'm gonna end the video. Bye.